That's Claire, New York's regional commander. She's not a soldier. We've lost most of our top brass, but she's doing one hell of a job.
You have respect for command now.
Well, you know, this one's different. Oh, shit. She made me swear not to tell a living soul. Well, I guess technically I ain't really breaking my word, right?
System disrupted.
Look at this. Straight from the skinning labs. Experimental nanotech.
Upgrade located. Integrate immediately. Rebooting.
Well, I hope it's worth it. Here she is, the Liberty Dome. One big, sweaty armpit. Not that you'd notice inside that suit, but it's hotter than a Vindaloo in here. It's changed. This is how it all started. People signed up with Cell for cheap energy. Cell would generate power for free, and nobody can compete for free. Before long, they had a monopoly. Bills went up. People had nothing left except their debt. Cell marched them out and into the volunteer camps. Nothing but slavery.
Scanning Sector 1, Delta 6.
Well, that's one way to do it.
Warning. IMS detonation detected in Sector 1, Delta 4.
No? Nothing. Just an energy surge. Energy source depleted. Gone now.
Scanning Sector 1, Delta 7.
Need help? Simple.
Prick. Keep low.
You okay?
It's nothing. There. Mark of death. If that spots you, you're fucked. Back! Get back! Whatever they found, it's dead now.
How far to 34th Street Station?
Couple of clicks. We'll have to get around the kill zone first.
No. Cell are closing in. There's no time to go around. The kill radius and rate of fire is within manageable parameters. We can cut straight through this.
You hear that, you bastards? Yeah, I'll tie you all on! Yeah, come on! Let's have ya! Come on!
Are you insane? Those guns will rip you apart.
Ah, so now you get the picture. They took my nanosuit, Prophet. I'm human.
Human? You know how much I've sacrificed to stop the Ceph. How do I get that back? Ah, crap. So what's your plan?
Support. Designate and execute targets. Intel. You do the fun stuff.
That's not the Psycho I used to know.
Things change. Okay, this is how it's gonna work. I'll call out the locations as I see them, like this one in Sector 1 Delta Zero. These are potential cache locations. Our primary target is Tower 3 Delta 3. As soon as you get the hardware, we'll knock the bastard out cold. Sector 1 Delta 3, looks good. There, Sector 1 Delta 0. Sector 1 Delta 2, got something. Keep low and out of sight of the tower. I thought that would be fucking obvious. I guess that's a no-go. Approach the target covertly, boss. Prioritize Sector 1 Delta 6. Strong contender. Oh look, you just wandered blindly into the crosshairs again, and our cash opportunity is all blown to hell.
Magazine depleted. Weapon system offline.
Whoa! Fuck me. How you firing that? Jesus! I don't like how you did it. But that is fucking beautiful! Okay, you got Cell's attention. Suggest we move out immediately.
Defense Tower 3 Delta 3 has been disabled. Response units relocate to that sector.
Give me an update on your position. Let's link up.
Roger that.
Gunslinger 2-1, action. Enemy ICOM chatter indicates they're still in the area. How copy?
Good copy. We're just coming up on the area now, over. Take the lead.
Roger.
Think it was the rebels?
No way. They've been trying to hit that tower for weeks. This was something bigger.
Advance and indicate.
Roger that.
Those electric arrowheads you got can light up a large area. Try them out in the lake there.
Casualty.
Warning. Primary asset has been destroyed.
We can't let him escape. Let's blast him out.
Warning.
Heads up, Prophet. Cell reinforcements en route.
I'm locked.
Security lockdown in effect. Sector is now in lockdown.
Heads up. Cell weapons drop near your location.
Threat level is now elevated.
How the hell did you get this thing open?
Use your security chip on the front panel.
I did that already. You think I'm some kind of moron?
Yep.
Sector is now in lockdown. Threat level is now elevated.
Oi! How'd you find that gun?
It's not important.
I hope you know what you're messing with. Come on. We'll cut through the tunnels to the train yard. I'm almost there. Alien modifications, those visions. People aren't even sure what or who you are anymore.
What do you believe?
I'm here, aren't I? Okay, let's keep it quiet here. We're getting close to cell controls. We need to go around. You think they heard that? I don't think they heard that.
Sierra 2 in position.
Anyone got eyes on? Call it in. Sierra 3, negative.
Negative, sir.
Stay frosty. These fuckers took out one of our towers. Ain't nobody done that before.
I'll take a look. Cover me. Suppressing! Move forward! Canvass the area where we last saw him!
Turret coming!
Shut down the turret. Let's move.
Swinging behind!
We're gonna have to flush him out. Let's go.
I'll go your back, Puppet.
What the fuck happened here? Check their black boxes, find out how they died. I'm going topside, see what's going on.
Sir?
Holy fuck! Fire! Fire! Bat out! Out of the grass! Stand down.
You hear that?
Psycho, I've seen what's been attacking us.
Yeah, I know. Stalkers. Tell me about it. This isn't going to plan. Like I said, just waifs and strays out of hiding because we blew up the cell's defense tower.
Maybe you're right. They're behaving like animals. No hive intelligence. So where's the Alpha Ceph?
Save it. I'm boxed in by stalkers and cell. Cut through the engine shed and meet me topside.
Xenocide presence reported in Penn Station.
Hitman actual, Hitman 4-6. We are Delta 2-0 now, break. Do we have any updates on enemy movements, over?
Fuck the updates!
Negative, Hitman. Situation is unchanged. Stalker activity increasing. Rebel forces as indicated. HVT profit moving through sector. How copy?
Good copy.
Man down!
Wanna play hide and seek? Show yourself!
Critical threat. Xenomorph presence detected in Sector 2 Delta 1 through
Right there! They're behind you! Behind you! Fall back! Fall back!
Roger that, 3-3. All available cast inbound.
Psycho, something's disrupting my HUD. I'm gonna see if I can get a fix on it.
level is now. Trauma care required in sectors 2, Delta 1 through 5. Combat medic teams respond immediately. Critical threat. Xenomorph presence detected in sectors 2, Delta 1 through 5. Warning. This area is now under quarantine. All life forms will be terminated immediately.
Come out and play, you bastards! Romeo Actual, Romeo 1. Exit route Bravo. No alternative? Who the fuck? No, I do not want to talk to you. Shut it. Get clear on the line. No, I want clear. Improvise? What the fucking hell do you mean improvise? Where's your plan B? You think you'll take it to court? You sure of it?
Warning. All personnel in Sector 2,
fucking brilliant. Typical HQ bullshit.
I can't open up that tunnel.
Yeah? Well, I fucking can. Come on.
Critical threat. Insurgent activity continuing in Sector 2, Delta 6.
Destroyed.
Give it a push.
Psycho! This train is full of highly explosive material.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
This is your plan?
Yeah! Come on, you bastards! I'm all right, just go! Shit! Armor! Cycle down!
Well, I don't know about you, but I call that fucking flawless. Yeah. Shit.
Sweetheart. It's your #1 soldier on the line. Open a window to the safe house. ETA 10 minutes.
Romeo 1, Romeo Actual. You will maintain radio protocol. Now bring that hardware home. Over and out.
Let's go.
What a hard ass.
Listen, she's all right when you get to know her. Just don't mention the visions, okay?
Psycho? Why does she keep calling me hardware?
Listen up. As long as Cell controls the power, they control us. Enslave us. Cell's Golden Goose rests at the Zuckerman Energy Nexus near Broad Street Station. They call it System X. This remnant of Ceph technology is contained within a single harvesting facility several hundred meters below street level. Nothing in Cell's military-industrial world is guarded as tightly as this. If Cell have an Achilles heel, this is it. You all know we've taken heavy losses in the last few months, and operational command has fallen to me. Our backs are against the wall and Cell are all over us, so it's now or never. We take Cell down today, or we die trying.